Now I would like to talk about how science can help conserve them. So with the help of science, we can imitate their habitats and create a solution to common problems that they experience. For example, 2 US-based scientists say that they are using the latest biotechnology techniques to create an artificial rhino horn. And the substance looks and feels like the real thing and also contains the same proteins. Scientists are also trying to fertilize rhino eggs in a lab and implant them into rhino females to have more reproduction. Because as you have seen before, there is a very low rate of reproduction in Javan rhinos. So scientists are creating rhino horns by using different DNA, and they use the genes that are produced in the major protein in horn and extract that from the yeast and then mix it in with the rhino DNA so that the final product has a genetic signature that is very similar to the actual rhino horn. So the rhino horn buyers would buy this type of horn rather than poaching or even use 3D printed horns. To add on, hidden cameras are also a great help. Scientists have been implanting cameras into the rhinos with heart rate monitors and embedding video cameras in their horns. So they could study what the rhinos are like and know what they can do to help. And this is useful because, for example, when a heart rate jumps, a radio caller sends an alarm along with GPS coordinates to park officials who dispatch rangers to the truck by truck or helicopter. This is to let the poachers know that the rhino have this device and they should really stop poaching. So now I will talk about how we can help. We can help by spreading the word and raising awareness about this topic, or become involved through adoption or sponsorship in programs. So for example, they could also be resident in protected areas, which is places that they could not be poached, which is why we should donate so they could have this space. And we can also not buy rhino horn products such as the illegal trade in rhino horn because they are a really big threat to the rhinos today. We could also not buy the medicine made by the rhino horns and not support the products made by rhino body parts. So we could also adopt a rhino, or we could also use and support sustainable wood, paper, and palm oil. So this is the end of my presentation, and here are my references. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.